life into these rights. And I say this in the full understanding that for citizens of our nation to be able to enjoy our democratic credentials, to be able to enjoy the rule of law and constitutionalism, there are rights guaranteed under Article 43, social and economic rights, that are fundamental to citizens enjoying other rights. A Sikh, ignorant, uneducated, homeless, hungry citizen, it's very difficult to enjoy democracy, human rights, rule of law, because their status is undermined, and therefore it becomes fundamentally important for us to make sure these social and economic rights do not continue to be a privilege for those who can afford. They should be a right for every citizen, because that is what the Constitution says. And therefore, I want to ask all of us as leaders in the executive, in the legislature, in the judiciary, that as we exercise the authority that we've been given by the Constitution, let us keep the people, the rights of the people at the center, so that we do not undermine their right to housing. We do not undermine their right to health. We do not undermine their right to education. And that all our acts work in concert to facilitate the attainment of those rights by the people of Kenya. We have worked diligently to breathe, as I said, life into these rights. Free primary and day education has opened doors to opportunities for millions of children from every corner of our nation. We have successfully transitioned to the competence-based education and training system, making our education more relevant, practical, and aligned with the demands of the 21st century. Our student-centered funding model is expanding access for learners while securing the sustainability of our universities. By January next year, we will have recruited a record 100,000 new teachers in just 3 years, a significant achievement that has strengthened our education system and improved learning outcomes across the country. This is in addition to the construction of 23,000 classrooms that has been done in collaboration with our members of parliament using the NGCDF. Fellow Kenyans, our affordable housing program is delivering safe and decent homes to families across the country, affirming that shelter is not a privilege for a few, but a constitutional entitlement for every Kenyan.